Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to safely import and manage your wallet in Axiom step by step. Don't worry, I will explain everything in very simple words, so even if you are totally new you will understand by the end of this video. So if you don't have an account on Axiom Trade, you can use our referral code which is displaying on the screen. You can use that code to sign up on the Axiom Trade. In this way you can save money on the transaction fee and it's always free to use. Our referral code is displaying on the screen. You can use the same code. Okay, so let's start. What is a wallet? First, let's understand one thing. A crypto wallet is like a school bag, but instead of books it holds your crypto money. Your wallet has your money, your trading access, and your identity on the blockchain, so we must keep it very safe. So let's open the Axiom platform on your browser. As you can see that I have already opened it. Once you are inside, look for the option that says import wallet or add wallet, or you can also go for this portfolio section. As you can see this, so I just click on the portfolio section and here you will see import or add wallet, or you can see also check for the create, and here you will see a wallet option. Okay, so now Axiom will ask you for your private key or seed phrase for that wallet. So let's suppose we want to import our wallet. As you can see that now it's asking for the enter private key. So most important things are that your seed phrase is like the master key to your house. Anyone who has it can take your money. So remember, never share it, never screenshot it, never send it to anyone on WhatsApp or Telegram. Carefully paste your private key or seed phrase here. Let's see this. Okay, then click on import wallet. Okay, so in this way you can see that the wallet will be updated here, but let me check with the this wallet is already imported, so I can. So in this way you can add multiple wallets. I have already imported this wallet, so that's why it's showing here. As you can see that the wallets are being shown here. You can also rename the wallets. Okay, so you can check if wallet is connected. If everything is correct, your wallet will now appear inside Axiom. Wallet address, as you can see the wallet address, the balance, as you can see the balance is 0 right now, and the trading options as you can see there. Okay, that means your wallet is successfully connected. So how you can secure your wallet? Let's talk about the safety. Always do these things. Use a new wallet only for trading. Keep your main funds in a separate wallet. Don't connect your wallet to random website. Think of it like this: you don't carry all your money in your pocket when going outside. So Axiom lets you use multiple wallets. As you can see that I have added 3 different wallets here. You can rename the wallets by just tapping on this pencil icon, and then you can rename it. Okay, and switch between them manually and use one wallet for testing, another wallet for real trade. This helps you stay organized and safe. So if you haven't joined the Axiom platform, please make sure to join this platform through the referral code that is being displayed on the screen. Please make sure to use that code so that you will get you can save money on the transaction fee, and it's always free and safe to use. Okay, so if you protect your wallet, your money stays protected. So that's it for today. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Trade safe, have a great journey. Bye bye.